Deep in the heart of the lush emerald jungle, young Brenda the rhinoceros lived beneath a canopy of towering trees. Every morning, sunlight would filter through the leaves, painting golden spots across her favorite mud puddle. Brenda was not like the other rhinos who preferred staying close to home. She longed to explore what lay beyond the thorny thickets and babbling brooks that bordered her world. She often stared at the horizon, dreaming of far-off lands. One misty morning, Brenda discovered a crumpled, moss-covered map buried beneath an old log. It was torn, but clear enough to show a path leading to the mysterious crystal clearing, a place no rhino had ever dared to visit. Her heart thumped with excitement as she packed a small satchel with her favorite shiny pebble, a mango snack, and a leaf to use as an umbrella. With a determined snort, she stepped onto the trail marked by the map. As Brenda trotted past the jungle's edge, she noticed the sounds change, from chirping cicadas to the whisper of wind through tall grass. Every scent was new, every step full of wonder. The trail led her to a thundering river, wide and wild. Brenda hesitated, but then she spotted a narrow fallen tree stretching across the rapids. Balancing carefully, she crossed, her stubby legs shaking slightly with every step. On the other side, the jungle was darker and denser. Enormous mushrooms glowed faintly beneath the underbrush, and fireflies twinkled like stars. Brenda felt both nervous and enchanted as she followed the trail deeper. Suddenly, she came upon a canyon too wide to cross. But Brenda was clever. She remembered seeing vines hanging nearby. She tugged one down and, with a grunt and a leap, swung bravely across the chasm. Landing with a triumphant stomp, Brenda giggled. Her adventure was more thrilling than she had ever imagined. Ahead, the jungle began to shimmer faintly with silvery mist. As she climbed a mossy hill, the trees opened up, revealing a glowing field filled with tall crystal flowers that hummed softly in the wind. She had found the crystal clearing. The air sparkled around her, and the crystals chimed gently, as if welcoming her. Brenda wandered through the clearing, eyes wide with wonder, her reflection dancing in the glassy petals. She lay down in the soft grass, letting the peaceful sounds of the clearing wash over her. The world here felt magical, as though time moved differently under the glow of the crystals. Brenda took out her pebble and placed it carefully among the crystals. In return, she selected a small, rose-colored shard of crystal to remember her journey by. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in oranges and pinks, Brenda knew it was time to return. She took one last look at the clearing, her heart full of pride and wonder. The journey home felt different. The shadows no longer frightened her, and the river crossing seemed easier. Brenda carried the quiet strength of the clearing inside her. When she finally emerged from the trees near her home, the stars were just beginning to twinkle. Her mud puddle glistened in the moonlight, waiting patiently for her return. Brenda's parents rushed to greet her, their eyes wide with relief and amazement. She told them all about the map, the canyon, and the shimmering flowers that sang. Word of her journey spread, and animals from every corner of the jungle came to hear her tale. Brenda became known not just as a brave rhino, but as a storyteller too. She would gather the little ones and sit beneath the stars, her voice soft and full of wonder, as she described the glowing crystals and the magical clearing that only she had seen. Brenda learned that the world was vast and full of mysteries, and that courage often bloomed from curiosity. Even as the seasons changed and the jungle grew quiet in the cool nights, Brenda's heart remained full of adventure, and she often wandered just to see what new trail might appear. One evening, she spotted a flicker of golden light deep in the brush. With a smile, she picked up her satchel, knowing another journey might just be beginning. She turned back once, seeing her family in the distance. They waved and cheered her on. With a happy snort, Brenda disappeared into the trees, and though she would return many times, the jungle was never the same, because she had changed. Brenda the brave rhinoceros had found her path, and it led wherever her heart wished to roam.